Hey guys,
welcome back to the Roman L Show.
Welcome back to the A.
And today we are looking at some of the craziest animated videos on our own channel. We don't have a lot of views, if you can see. It's kind of embarrassing. So first we're going to look at Roman L dance up at Richie and KY's wedding 2018. So we're just going to go with it. Alright, ready you guys? I'm just like
just a little bit. The DJ's looking at it.
Is this rap? Everyone looks at me. Ellie's like, how do you dance? Mom, you're giving a bad influence to me. And then that is embarrassing, kind of, right there. Just looking at KY, like, look into the wedding girl right there. Just like, hey, let's dance. You're my new girl. Richie's not your guy anymore. I'm your guy. This is the day she became my aunt right here. No, that's my mom right there, my sister. This is KY. Ellie, you were like 3 years old. Alright, we'll move. Next we are doing I'm just an alien. He's an alien. I'm an alien.
Turn this off.
No.
Now.
Wow, that's not too far.
Hey, what are you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Alien from space. What kind of voice
you're
box is
not.
that? What's
Turn
that?
this
What's
off.
this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Everything that. What are those shoes? What? I don't have a name. Alright, let's move on, you guys. Next, we're doing a scary skeleton boo. Ellie dressed up. Hey! Ellie's dressed up as a scary skeleton.
Turn this off.
Turn it off. Ellie, where are you going? Oh my god, she's so close. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Why don't I like that?
I'm just saying
Alright,
ahead to our secret collection of Oliver plushies.
She's right there. Okay, I'm touching her right now.
Yeah, because I have to take the elevator.
There's no what's under there? There's nothing. Alright, moving on. Next we are doing magic for snacks.
Boom!
Look at her.
Elsa! Trying to get those things. Yeah, they're actually not good after all.
Well, we don't even have those anymore, so what do you expect? Why are you grabbing a ruler?
Because I'm baldy! Cut enough their hair to be bald.
No.
She says it's my video time.
Oh, this is great. I don't want to pause it. This is great. I pause it. Right there. I'm holding it. Oh, look, our first looks so
I'm
different.
just
We have
seeing
that
ahead
thing, now we have
to
something else.
my secret lab of my room. There's a thing that
Then you better go before you. Then you better. No, she's joking.
No, I'm
All
actually
right,
not.
moving. Next, we are doing remake of the Goonies in the exercise room. I can't wait.
Let me see your teeth.
Yee. And then. What am I doing? Whoa! Slow down, sloth.
My turn. Yes, Roman's turn. You're gonna get too dizzy. Take a break.
Yeah, my turn, Ellie. My turn, Ellie.
I'm spinning like nobody's watching.
No.
Turn this off.
Okay, we did it. Moving on to the final one, a secret. Next, we are looking at what noise Stella makes when she's great. 1.4K views. This is the greatest thing we've had ever. All right.
That's Roman.
Nuh-uh.
She's like, what is happening?
Yeah, Stella actually does make that noise. My grandma's dog. She's visiting right now.
Yeah, but Roman.
She makes that noise.
She didn't make it right now, Roman.
She was making this noise. She made this noise. Literally. She does this when she's in her crate. I cannot believe this. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll all see you again soon. No, guys, wait. Baldi's coming. We gotta turn this off.